Top 7 Best Vegetables Diabetics Should Eat. Imagine a world where the food you eat isn't just tasty, it's your best defense against diabetes. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into the ultimate list of vegetables that don't just support blood sugar control, but transform your health entirely. These aren't your average greens. They're science-backed, nutrient-packed powerhouses that fight inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect against complications. Whether you're living with diabetes or simply looking to boost your health naturally, this is the video you've been waiting for. And hey, why stop here? If you're passionate about discovering easy, effective ways to take control of your health, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's turn your plate into the ultimate weapon against disease, one delicious bite at a time. Number 1. Asparagus. Asparagus isn't just a springtime favorite. It's a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous benefits for diabetics. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it is particularly rich in chromium, a trace mineral that improves insulin sensitivity by enhancing the hormone's activity in glucose metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2019 revealed that chromium supplementation can significantly improve glycemic control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. With only 4 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of fiber per cup, asparagus is a low glycemic vegetable that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. The antioxidants glutathione and rutin found in asparagus play a critical role in reducing oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetes management. Glutathione, in particular, is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals and protect against cellular damage, as highlighted in a study in Diabetes and Metabolism Journal in 2020. Asparagus is also a natural source of inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that promotes gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. Healthy gut microbiota are linked to improved insulin sensitivity, as detailed in a study published in Nature Medicine in 2018. Additionally, its high levels of folate and potassium help regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications, a major concern for diabetics. One of the standout features of asparagus is its ability to support weight management. Low in calories and rich in nutrients, asparagus can promote satiety, which is crucial for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight while managing diabetes. Asparagus is versatile and easy to incorporate into meals. Roast it with olive oil and garlic for a savory side, add it to omelets or stir-fries, or even blanch it and toss it into salads. For diabetics, asparagus is not just a vegetable, but a valuable ally in managing blood sugar, improving gut health, and preventing complications. Number 2. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are more than a vibrant addition to meals. They are a nutritional treasure that offers significant benefits for diabetics. Available in a rainbow of colors, red, yellow, orange, and green, bell peppers are low in carbohydrates with just 6 grams of carbs and 2 grams of fiber per cup, making them a low glycemic option that won't cause blood sugar spikes. Their high water content also helps promote satiety without adding calories, making them ideal for weight management. Rich in vitamin C, bell peppers provide over 150% of the recommended daily intake in just one serving. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to complications in diabetes, including neuropathy and cardiovascular disease. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018 found that higher vitamin C levels are associated with improved fasting glucose levels and reduced inflammation in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Bell peppers also contain capsaicin, more concentrated in spicier varieties like chili peppers, which has been shown to improve glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Research in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry in 2020 highlights capsaicin's role in reducing inflammation and enhancing energy metabolism, which is especially beneficial for diabetics managing obesity and insulin resistance. Another standout feature is the presence of carotenoids, including beta-carotene and lutein, which protect against diabetes-related eye complications like retinopathy. Additionally, the potassium in bell peppers supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure, an essential benefit for diabetics who are at increased risk of cardiovascular issues. Bell peppers are as versatile as they are nutritious. Enjoy them raw in salads for a refreshing crunch, roast them for a smoky flavor, or stuff them with lean proteins and grains for a complete low-carb meal. For diabetics, bell peppers are not only a delicious way to brighten up a dish, but also a scientifically backed tool for blood sugar control and overall health. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is not just a versatile vegetable. It's a nutritional gem that offers significant benefits for diabetics. Its low carbohydrate content and low glycemic index make it an excellent choice for those seeking to control their blood sugar levels. A cup of cauliflower contains only 5 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber, making it a perfect substitute for high-carb foods like rice, potatoes, or pasta. The real star of cauliflower is its rich content of glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, plant compounds shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are key contributors to diabetes complications. According to research published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity in 2018, these compounds support detoxification processes in the liver, helping diabetics manage metabolic imbalances. Cauliflower is also a rich source of vitamin C, providing over 75% of the recommended daily intake in just 1 cup. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and improving vascular health, which are particularly important for diabetics prone to cardiovascular complications. Additionally, it contains choline, a nutrient linked to improved fat metabolism and insulin sensitivity, as noted in a study in Advances in Nutrition in 2021. Another significant benefit is the presence of sulforaphane, shared with its cruciferous cousin broccoli. Sulforaphane has been shown to improve fasting blood glucose levels and protect against complications like diabetic neuropathy. This compound also supports healthy cholesterol levels, as highlighted in a Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism study. Cauliflower is incredibly versatile. Transform it into low-carb cauliflower rice, mash it as a potato alternative, or use it as a base for gluten-free pizza crust. Even simple steaming or roasting preserves its nutrients while providing a satisfying, healthy side dish. For diabetics, cauliflower is more than a vegetable. It's a delicious ally in blood sugar management and long-term health. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is more than just a humble vegetable. It's a nutritional powerhouse with proven benefits for diabetics. Rich in sulforaphane, a bioactive compound derived from glucoraphanin, broccoli has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in the progression of diabetes and its complications. According to a study published in Science Translational Medicine in 2017, sulforaphane significantly improved fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. It also helped reduce markers of liver dysfunction and oxidative stress. This cruciferous vegetable is low in carbohydrates and has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't cause blood sugar spikes. Packed with dietary fiber, broccoli slows digestion, stabilizing glucose levels after meals. The soluble fiber in broccoli also feeds gut microbiota, promoting better insulin sensitivity, a finding supported by research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2020. Broccoli is also rich in vitamin C and K, potassium, and chromium, all of which support better metabolic health. Chromium, in particular, plays a role in enhancing the action of insulin, making it crucial for glucose management. Furthermore, the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in broccoli protect against diabetes-related complications like retinopathy. A study in Nutrition Research and Practice in 2021 found that participants who consumed broccoli regularly had better lipid profiles, reduced inflammation, and improved vascular function. This is critical for diabetics who face an elevated risk of heart disease and stroke. Broccoli is versatile. Steam it lightly to retain its nutrients, roast it for a flavorful side dish, or add it to stir-fries and soups. For an extra health boost, pair it with mustard seeds or horseradish to maximize sulforaphane activation. Broccoli isn't just a vegetable. It's a scientifically backed ally in managing diabetes and preventing complications. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are among the best foods for diabetics, offering a potent combination of low calories, low carbohydrates, and unparalleled nutritional value. These vegetables are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium, which is critical for improving insulin sensitivity. A study published in Diabetologia found that consuming just 1.35 servings of leafy greens per day could reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 14%. This is due to their abundance of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which combat oxidative stress, one of the primary drivers of diabetes complications, including neuropathy and retinopathy. Swiss chard stands out for its high levels of alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve nerve function in diabetic patients. Spinach, on the other hand, is an excellent source of nitrates, which have been linked to improved vascular health. This is particularly important for diabetics who face a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, leafy greens are packed with dietary fiber, known to slow digestion and prevent post-meal blood sugar spikes. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, higher fiber intake is associated with better glycemic control and reduced insulin resistance. These vegetables are versatile and easy to incorporate into meals. Add kale to smoothies for a nutrient-packed breakfast, use spinach as a base for salads, or sauté Swiss chard with garlic for a delicious side dish. For diabetics, eating leafy greens regularly is not just a dietary choice. It's a step toward improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and better overall health. Number 6. Zucchini. Zucchini is a standout vegetable for diabetics, offering a perfect blend of low carbohydrates, high fiber, and vital nutrients. With only 3 grams of carbohydrates and 1 gram of fiber per cup, zucchini is a low glycemic food that helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, making it an essential part of a diabetes-friendly diet. One of zucchini's key benefits lies in its high water content, over 90%, which aids hydration and promotes satiety without adding extra calories. This makes it an ideal choice for diabetics managing their weight. Research published in Nutrients emphasizes the importance of consuming hydrating, low-calorie foods in controlling post-meal glucose levels and reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Zucchini is rich in antioxidants, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect against oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetes. These antioxidants also play a crucial role in eye health, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy and age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, zucchini contains potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that help regulate blood pressure, a critical factor for diabetics prone to cardiovascular complications. Another impressive feature of zucchini is its prebiotic fiber, which nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. According to a study in Nature Review's Endocrinology, a healthy gut microbiome is linked to better insulin sensitivity and improved metabolic health. Zucchini's versatility makes it easy to enjoy in various dishes. Spiralize it into zoodles as a low-carb pasta alternative, grill it for a smoky side dish, or bake it into a savory casserole. Even thinly sliced raw zucchini can be added to salads or dipped into hummus for a refreshing snack. For diabetics, zucchini isn't just a vegetable. It's a delicious, nutrient-dense tool for managing blood sugar, supporting heart health, and enhancing overall wellness. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just a culinary staple. They are a nutritional powerhouse with remarkable benefits for managing diabetes. With a low glycemic index of 15 and only 5 grams of carbohydrates per medium tomato, they are an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Rich in water content, around 95%, tomatoes also help promote hydration while being naturally low in calories, making them ideal for weight management. One of the standout compounds in tomatoes is lycopene, a potent antioxidant responsible for their vibrant red color. Lycopene has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two critical factors in preventing diabetes complications. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism highlights lycopene's role in improving cardiovascular health, which is vital for diabetics at higher risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of tomatoes has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve arterial function. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamin C, providing about 40% of the daily recommended intake per medium tomato, which helps strengthen the immune system and combat chronic inflammation. Additionally, they contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, a common concern for diabetics. A study in Food and Function found that the bioactive compounds in tomatoes improve insulin sensitivity and support better glucose metabolism. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways. Add fresh slices to salads or sandwiches, blend them into homemade low-sugar sauces, or roast them to enhance their natural sweetness. For diabetics, tomatoes offer a delicious and easy way to enjoy a nutrient-rich food that supports blood sugar control, protects against complications, and enhances overall health. And there you have it, the top vegetables that can revolutionize the way you manage diabetes. These nutrient-packed superfoods are more than just delicious. They're your allies in controlling blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall health. Now it's your turn. Start incorporating these veggies into your meals and experience the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. And for more natural health tips and science-backed insights, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, let's make healthy living easy and sustainable.